This is how it should look. This is how scratched it got. I don't know if there's any way to fix it, but it's really scratched. Top of that, the batteries are out. So I got some CR2025s. Luckily, I'd already taken the screw out. Just pull this out. You have to push it possibly. It just pulls out. It comes out like this. This old one, and it doesn't have the manufacturer, or it does. It's in the middle. Put it back the way it's supposed to be. Put it in. That's it. Voila. Now I just need to figure out how to fix the screen so it's not so scratched up, if it's even possible. We'll see. Sometimes it doesn't work. I have to press over here where the battery is. So if you have a similar board like mine, you might have to press where the battery is and press the erase. I'm going to tape this up so it doesn't come out. Over and out.